Casey Baxter. I'm the Artistic Director of Dramatic Adventure Theater.
And I am Mary Kay Reddington, and I'm the Managing Director and also the driver of this podcast.
We are in Louisiana. We have had a crazy week, and so we apologize for not getting to you sooner with the notes from the road, but we have been traveling from New York City to Rochester to Harrisburg, and now we are just about to leave. We are just leaving New Orleans. And so just to sort of catch you up on this crazy adventure, as we've been trying to as we've been successfully enlisting artists in each of these places, we've had amazing meetings with Harrisburg Area Community College, with Messiah College, and Loyola University here in Louisiana, and man, we are psyched. There's some incredibly talented artists that are going to be a part of Action Ecuador. I can't wait to see how these groups journey across the country of Ecuador.
I can't wait to introduce everybody to each other.
I know.
Because we're just meeting so many cool people that I'm like, oh, you've got to meet so-and-so. We met such and such people in Colorado. Meet the people in Pennsylvania, Baltimore. It's exciting.
We are trying to figure out how to get out of New Orleans because we are now on our way to Austin, Texas. Action Ecuador is going to be incredible. We're going to explore the country, we're going to get involved with service projects, and we're going to build amazing theater. And I can't wait to see what is performed in New York City. So anyway, stay tuned. We'll let you know how Austin goes on the next Notes from the Road, and take care. Bye.